Here I have XIAOMI Pad 5, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, tap here, go to its settings, then go to the... no, wait, firstly we have to switch to the photo mode, then go to settings, go to the smart suggestions and enable scan QR codes. So now let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as tablet spots this QR code, this kind of icon appears here, and after tapping on this icon we can find the page that is being encoded to this QR code, and we can go to this website, for example. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.